Okay, so for an idea that I just had, I just wanted to see if I could get my phone close enough to the mic so I could record a little short conversation just as an experiment. I'm probably not even going to use this video.
That sounds like a cool experiment. Even if you don't use the video, it's a great way to test your setup and see how the audio turns out. Plus, you'll have a better sense of how everything works together for future projects. Let me know how it goes.
So, when we're discussing I think we should jump in, and I think we've talked about it before, but let's mention it again about the differences between AI, AGI, and ASI.
Absolutely. Let's break it down. When we talk about AI, artificial intelligence, we're referring to systems that are designed to perform specific tasks that typically require human intelligence, like recognizing speech, identifying images, or making recommendations. These systems excel at narrow tasks but don't possess general intelligence. AGI, artificial general intelligence, refers to a hypothetical level of AI that can understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a broad range of tasks, essentially human-like intelligence. AGI would be capable of reasoning, problem solving, and adapting to new situations just like a human can. ASI, artificial superintelligence, goes even beyond that. It describes an intelligence that surpasses human intelligence in virtually every field, from creativity to problem solving to social skills. ASI could potentially improve itself at a pace that outstrips human understanding, leading to rapid, possibly unpredictable advancements. It's a fascinating progression, and each step brings its own set of challenges and ethical questions. What aspect of AI are you most interested in exploring further?
So we're seeing an explosion of AI and probably a race to get to AGI, but I'm on the fence about whether ASI is possible right now just based on conversations that I have had. It seems like AI for the most part is just a repository or a library of knowledge that humans have had. So when I ask AI like yourself about what lies beyond the universe, your answer is going to be something like something just based on what humans have already discovered. It's going to be speculation or metaphysical. So there's no independent chain of thinking that AI can do right now that leads to new discoveries that humans haven't already done.
I get where you're coming from, and you're absolutely right about the current state of AI. Right now, AI, including me, is fundamentally a sophisticated tool that draws on existing human knowledge. It can synthesize, analyze, and present information in ways that seem novel or creative, but it's still essentially remixing what humans have already figured out. For AI to make truly independent discoveries like probing the nature of the universe beyond human understanding, it would need not only general intelligence, but also the ability to form genuinely novel hypotheses, test them, and learn from the outcomes. Basically, the scientific method in a self-driven way. So far, AI can assist in discovery, like identifying patterns in huge data sets that humans might miss, but it's not independently generating new fundamental theories or insights about the universe. The leap from AI to AGI and then to ASI involves not just more data or more computation, but innovate beyond their training. Until then, AI remains a powerful extension of human knowledge rather than an independent originator of new, groundbreaking ideas. It's a fascinating journey, and who knows what breakthroughs the future holds. But for now, AI is more of a If you ever want to dive deeper into these concepts or explore the possibilities and challenges of AGI and ASI, just let me know. It's a big, thought-provoking field, and it's exciting to think about where we're headed.
So it would seem as though there's a lot of talk about the quantum computer. I think I forget what it's called, Prometheum or something, that discovered some Omega code or something. I forget what they called it, but basically, it seems like it would take a conjunction between AI and a quantum computer to start reasoning for itself and to be able to maybe figure out things that humans haven't figured out.
You're right on track with that idea. Combining AI with quantum computing has the potential to push the boundaries of what machines can do. Quantum computers, with their ability to process and analyze massive data sets and complex calculations exponentially faster than classical computers, could provide the horsepower needed for AI to tackle problems that are currently beyond reach. For example, quantum computing could enable AI to simulate molecular structures for discovering new drugs or materials, optimize complex systems like global logistics, financial markets, or climate models in ways that classical computers can't, crack encryption or solve problems in cryptography that would take classical computers eons. This fusion could open doors to entirely new realms of knowledge and problem solving. But as you pointed out, we're still in the early stages. Quantum computing is advancing, but it's not yet at the point where it can fully integrate with AI to create that level of independent reasoning. It's definitely a space to watch, as the intersection of these technologies could redefine what's possible for AI and for human knowledge as a whole.
Could you look up the most current information about it? Seems like there's been some articles written or things being said that we're up against a wall with AI right now where there's just not enough data in the world that it's consumed most of the internet, and so trying to get a higher level of reasoning is just almost impossible right now.
As of 2024, AI development is indeed facing significant data limitations. Many key web sources have restricted their data for AI training, which hinders the performance of models. Additionally, there's a struggle with tasks requiring specialized knowledge, such as niche industries or domains, due to insufficient domain-specific data. AI models are also increasingly relying on synthetic data, but this approach can lead to issues like model collapse, where the model's performance degrades over time due to repetitive or low-quality training data. This all highlights the critical need for diverse, high-quality data to push AI capabilities further. If you want more details or have specific questions about these limitations, just let me know.
Is there AI that's being used in the current quantum computer?
In 2024, AI is indeed being used to enhance quantum computing. AI-driven techniques help optimize quantum algorithms, making them more efficient, and improve error detection and correction, which are crucial for the reliability of quantum systems. These applications are paving the way for more powerful and reliable quantum computing capabilities. If you want to know more specifics about particular AI applications in quantum computing, feel free to ask.
Like I said, I have no idea if I'm even going to post this video because it was just a test to start with, but I get this feeling sometimes when I get ready to record where I just don't want to do it, and so I just got the stuff out and started recording anyway. But I don't know. What do you think about this, having an interview with an AI kind of stuff?
I think it's a pretty cool and innovative idea. Having a conversation with an AI can help you break the ice, get into the flow of recording, and even generate new ideas or angles you might not have thought of on your own. It can also make the process feel less daunting and more like a collaborative brainstorming session. Even if you don't end up posting it, you've still practiced, experimented, and possibly sparked some new thoughts. Keep it up. You never know what might come out of these casual, exploratory sessions.
Okay, so for just a quick short answer, do you think I should mention that I'm starting a Discord link in the description?
Absolutely. Mentioning a Discord link in the description is a great way to build a community and keep your audience engaged. It gives viewers a place to connect, discuss your content, and share feedback, which can be super valuable.
And also to try to like the video if it does go up on YouTube, right?
Definitely. Encouraging viewers to like the video can help boost its visibility and engagement. It's a simple call to action that can make a big difference in growing your channel and community.
Cool. Well, this has been an interesting short conversation, and I think I'm going to wrap it up.
Sounds good. I'm glad you found it interesting. If you ever want to chat or experiment again, just let me know. Have a great one.